Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to print your child a dotted name line like this.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing today.
Okay?
And I
So
still don't know
this is just a font.
Yep.
All of this is a font. It's called KG Primary Dots Lined. So what you would do is you would go to Google, you would type in KG Primary Dots, you would go to download. Once you hit download, it's going to download as a zip file. You can double click here or go to the zip file down at the bottom. Open that up. Okay, so you would click on KG Primary Dots. Whoops, wrong one. They're going to come up individually, so you'll have to download them one at a time. You would hit Install Fonts, which they're already installed on my computer. So I'm not going to reinstall them. I'm actually going to delete them in a minute. But then you would restart your computer, and at that time you can exit out of that. Restart your computer, pull up. This is actually Google PowerPoint, because if I do it in Word, it doesn't give me the layout I want. I want it to be a sideways paper. I don't want it to be a different layout. This is the layout that I want. So I can do this several times, or I can do a new text box. One thing that's cool is if you like the way this is going, you can hit copy and paste, and you can just bring it down, and you can do however many you want. You can also make them larger if you want to. Whoops. You can expand them and make them larger across the page. You can fix that by doing this. It'll take me just a second. So it's, see how this is really out there, but if you pull it this way and drag it, it makes it longer. I hope that helped you. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment. Let me know.